Hello and welcome to Quick Stitches. I'm Rosella from Stitching in the Moment, and today's quick stitch is a spider web stitch. So it's a woven wheel or spider web stitch, this one. So you're going to start with an odd number of spokes. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3. Would have been ideal if they're actually the same length. 4, 5. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to come up in the centre between one of those spokes, and I'm literally going to weave. Now you could use the back end of your needle if you're catching it. You could even change to something like a cross stitch or a tapestry needle, but you literally, all you're going to do is weave around. So you're going over that stitch, under that stitch, over the next one, under the next one. And because we've got that odd number of spokes, it's then going to naturally weave well. You can fit in as many as you can. Nearly there, because actually I'm running out of thread. Ouch. That's the sharp end of the needle. I really like that. I'm pleased I've chosen this. I think, you know what, we're pretty much there. Put another one in. Yeah, really happy with that. Now to finish off, all you need to do then is just pop your needle underneath. Oh, that's super, isn't it? I really like that. And then finish off. Now I'm just going to turn it over. So if I just show you the back of this, get to position so you can see. Because you're weaving on the front, there's not an awful lot to tie into at the back, but because you've woven on the front, you can actually just put your needle through the fabric to finish off, because it's not going to show. A couple of stitches will do it.
If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe.